When you're pregnant, your body produces hormones that reduce collagen production and break down elastin fibers in your skin. The dermis loses its supporting fibers, and as rapid growth occurs, stretch marks can form. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula for Stretch Marks has an enhanced formula specially formulated for pregnancy with a powerful blend of natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and argan oil that hydrate skin and help prevent moisture loss, as well as hydrating collagen, elastin, and lutein. Together, they increase skin moisturization to promote soft and supple skin. In a recent clinical study of women aged 18 to 49, over 98% saw improved skin elasticity with Palmer's. It's free of mineral oil, parabens, and phthalates, and it's dermatologist approved, so it's gentle and safe for your growing belly. Try Palmer's complete line of stretch mark solutions, an all-over body lotion, concentrated cream, and intensive nighttime treatment. Trust Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula for stretch marks.